having a spare key for your vehicle is essential. The importance of preparedness. Owning a vehicle comes with many responsibilities. From routine maintenance to ensuring you have the right insurance, each part is crucial for keeping your vehicle running smoothly. One often overlooked necessity is having a spare key for your car or van. This small act of preparedness can save you significant time, money, and stress in the long run. The security of your vehicle. A spare key is a vital line of defense for your vehicle. If your primary key is lost, stolen, or damaged, a spare key ensures you can access your vehicle. In urgent situations, having quick access to your car can be crucial. For instance, if you're parked in an unsafe area, having a spare key ready allows you to get into your vehicle quickly and safely. Emergencies arise when you least expect them. Imagine being locked out while rushing to pick up your child from school or getting stuck in the rain. A spare key can save you precious time and unnecessary frustration. Instead of waiting for help, you can unlock your car and continue with your day. Moreover, if multiple people drive your vehicle, a spare key becomes even more beneficial. By investing in a spare key, you prepare for potential future costs that could arise from losing your primary key. This small investment can lead to substantial savings down the line, making you feel more at ease about your finances and your vehicle's security. Retrieving a lost-only key can often be a daunting process. You'll need to supply your vehicle identification number (VIN) and proof of ownership, which can take time and add stress to an already frustrating situation. By having a spare key, you can avoid these inconveniences entirely. If you misplace your primary keys, you won't have to go through the hassle of proving ownership or waiting for a locksmith, allowing you to return to your normal routine swiftly. There is comfort in knowing you are prepared for life's little mishaps. Having a spare key handy allows you to live with less worry. Whether you are traveling for work or heading on a family vacation, knowing you have a backup plan removes unnecessary stress. Many people choose to hide their spare key in a secure place within their car or home. For example, a magnetic key holder can be attached under the car, where it remains out of sight yet easily accessible if needed. It is crucial to ensure your spare key is accessible when you need it. Consider options that fit your lifestyle. Some common solutions include key safes. These can be installed undetectably under your vehicle or discreetly placed in your yard, providing a secure spot for your spare key. Trusted friends or family, give a spare key to someone you trust. This way, if you find yourself locked out, they can bring it to you promptly. Evaluating these options helps you choose a method that keeps your spare key safe but also convenient when the need arises. In a world that can be unpredictable, having a spare key for your car or van is essential for staying prepared. As you go about your daily life, consider the benefits a spare key offers, from improved security and cost savings to peace of mind. Investing a little time and money into creating a spare key today can save you frustration and expenses in the future. Being prepared means living confidently and being ready to face whatever challenges come your way. Please click on Get a Free Quote today.